It's Valerie. Welcome back to my home today. And today I am doing a monochromatic look with pinks. So, please stick around if you'd like to see this. If not, still stick around. You might learn something. But, I will be back with y'all and we'll get this look started. So go grab a drink, popcorn, whatever you want, your snack of choice is. And I will be back with you and we will get this party started. So I went ahead and done all the boring stuff, foundation, a little bit of contour, that type of thing. Everybody does that. My brows, and of course they don't match. I'm really not worried about that. But for this monochromatic, you can tell I'm thinking about politics right now. But we're not going to get into that. I've had enough weighty topics. But for this monochromatic look, it's going to be a pink look. Because it's going to be Valentine's Day. And because I'm married to the world's biggest retard, the king of them. I'm just saying that lightly. He thinks he's the sweetest man in the world. Because, most of you may know or may not know, I am married in South Africa. And his birthday is on Valentine's Day. So I don't get to celebrate Valentine's Day on Valentine's Day. Because Valentine's Day don't really exist for us. That's his birthday. So I get to have Valentine's Day with y'all. So I'm going to make a look using pink. Because other than that, it's not Valentine's Day. It's his birthday. Lord help me. Maybe one day I'll get to have Valentine's Day. And then the other days, hi granted, that's my little football. I can't put her on my lap. Sorry y'all, like some of y'all's little dog. But let me quit blabbering and get into this look. Now, we're going to start, of course, with the eyes. Because those are the windows to the soul. I really don't believe that. And I'm just going to go ahead with my... Hey guys, I'm trying to get a monochromatic. Let's start with the lighter pink. And we're getting close. And I'm just going back and forth with some of this. And I have so much light here, I don't think you can see. And I'm kind of using yours, money. So I might get that lighter down here. A little darker. And we're just going to keep on going. So I'm going to add a little bit more color. And the light's getting weird and changing, of course, like it always does. I'm going to try to keep the focus on this side. I'm going to go back into that lighter. Back into a little bit darker. And I'm going to darken it up even just a little bit more. So I'm going to choose, first I'm going to go in, so far we have used this color that I put pan on, proud of myself. We are going to actually go into this brown first. As you can see that I put pan on that too. I'm proud, yay! I'm just using one of my little eco tools. I don't know what number it is, y'all. I just use whatever. I don't care what number it is. If it's a 555, 444, 333, I don't care. I'll pick up this here. And I know about right now it looks like a hot mess. It's not going to make it teeny, but it's like a hot mess. You know, when you're doing makeup, sometimes it does. And that's just the nature of makeup and getting everything blended. And, it's like making a cake. Sometimes you gotta break them. Or making an omelet even. Sometimes you gotta break 2 eggs. So, big time. Oh, big time. So I'm down here a little bit. Up a little bit. Got my hooded girls out there. Okay. Then I'm going to go back into here, because we've darkened it up a little bit. And I'm going to go to this very, very bottom. I hope you can see this. This very, very bottom. I'm going to clean this brush off. I'm going to pick this up. I kind of want that to be my outside shape, since we are doing the monochromatic. I'm just going to kind of get that in there. Go in a little blending. And yes, pink stain. If you're using pigments. Red stain. Get back into that.
Hit it with a little more of that color. Hit it a little more. Get it going out. Now we'll get me a little bit different brush. Because before I go any further, I want to fill that in. So I'm going to go back into here and back in this palette. I'm going to pick up some white. Because as I get older, I know I need all the brightness I can get. Not necessarily all the shimmer, but the brightness. I need that brightness. So, go back in here. Get me some brightness. Kind of blend you a little bit. Blend you a little bit. Bring that white down a little bit. Okay. What do I want to do next? Next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, I have got the Jouet, which I love. I love Jouet. And everybody always has problems with these. Let me show you. I hope I'm not blinding. Ultra foil. And everybody hates these little goobers. You know what? If you hate them, please send them to me. Send them to me. And I'll tell you why. These are the best things for packing on those foils. You know, if you don't want to use your fingers and get it all nasty, these are the best things for it. And I'm going to show you. So right now, I am going into this pink right here. And I'm just going to pack it on. Get in there with that. Pack it on. So if you hate yours, send it my way. Please send it my way. I'll be ever so grateful. I'm going to pack that foil on. So when I leave that outside dark, I'm going to pack this on. And when you use this, there's no fallout. Jouet don't have fallout anyway, so kind of like to get what you pay for. Then we'll flip this over. And only do a little bit right in here. Right there. Before I go any further. Go back here. Now I'm going to get me a little bit different brush. Where did you go? My brushes are always disappearing. Y'all's brushes disappear like run off. I don't know, mine did. I had a little tiny brush I was using. A little teeny tiny. Probably so small he probably ran away. Pointless thing. Probably still don't know I'm done with you. There goes some flying. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is go back to that first palette. And this ain't nothing but old beat up LA Colors palette. And I'm going to go in. And I'm going to go back in with that second shade. That one. I'm not trying to make this too long for y'all. I'm just putting that in the last line. I'm bringing it out. Bringing it out. Remember, I don't get to have it on top. Steady. Oh well. Next thing I'm going to do, because it's monochromatic. Nobody makes pink eyeshadow. I've actually got a little lip liner. You can do it or you can't. It's up to you. But I'm going to line my eye with that. Line it up. I don't even probably look like I have pink eye, but I promise monochromatic. Y'all are getting monochromatic. I'm going to line my eye. And I'm going to look over here. I'm going to line the top too. So hopefully, and I'm sorry you can't see me. This is not my best thing that I'm good at. And the sun keeps moving. It's snowing, for one, which is interesting here. I'm doing a little bit of a wild look for me. Let's see if we can get this evened out. I look like I got two different eyes. But that's okay. Alright. Next thing I'm going to do is just take some little bit of powder or my beauty blender. I'm going to take my beauty blender, excuse me. And I'm just going to get rid of any old fallout. Get me back on track here. Because like I said, we're going monochromatic back. You know, I'm almost did my eyebrows paint. I thought about it. I did think about doing my eyebrows paint. Just for giggles. Have fun. I like to play with makeup. When I say I like to play with makeup, I like to play with makeup. That's what it's there for. Okay, so let me get my mascara on real fast. Actually, I do like to play with makeup. And I'm glad y'all are joining me today while I'm sitting doing mascara. I'd love it if y'all just subscribe because you're sitting here watching me do this anyway. You're already here. So you could subscribe and ring that notification bell. You know, it doesn't cost nothing. It's free. I'm never going to charge you to subscribe and ring the notification bell. And like I just did there, you just wait for it to dry and get a Q-tip and it'll come right off and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to make y'all wait while it dries.
So I got my mascara finished. Let's move on to some blush and highlight, if I can get this open. We're just using some Flower Beauty Flower Pods, some powder puff. This is Wild Rose. Excuse my fingernails. I haven't done them yet. And I know that just from using this is really pigmented. And I hate that. I'm going real light because I know it's buildable. On this side. I found this out one day when we were going to the museum and my daughter was with me and she said I turned the car into a sparkle factory. A sparkle factory. Whatever that means. We were throwing up a friend. And sparkle. Okay. It's good to have a little sparkle factory. And I'm going to dip into some highlighter powder. First, I better check this in the mirror, I guess. Because I want to be like big and pink, like Bozo or something. I know I'm kind of like Bozo, but that's neither here nor there. That's okay. That's okay. Was having time to do mascara, y'all subscribe? Hope you did. Let me see here. Let me find another minute. I don't realize you right no more. Look, isn't that real pretty? I don't like that color. Surprise, surprise. Okay. So let's get to a little bit of highlighting. Or as I like to say, letting the space aliens find me. This is probably what got all of the cards. So I'm just going to take and just real lightly. Look at that. Boom. They found me. I'm going to kind of rub that in a little bit. I don't need to be that glowy. It's early in the day. You know what? After you've been married so long, you need to be a little bit glowy because your husband can't find you sometimes. You've married women who've been married a while know exactly what I'm talking about. Do that little cupid stuff. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is just a little bit of lipstick. And here we got pink color. And that was just a little bit like rose gold highlighting. I think I'm going to go with this. What do y'all think? Can you see that? Okay with that. And this is just some Jouer. Liquid lipstick. Just a little Jouer. I'll show you how my dog barking. And that's one thing I do love about this brand is one dip, you're done. Second my gloves on. And just for some added excitement. And that was, in case anybody's wondering, that was Lucky Street again. Let me get this in here in a minute. Let me get that hair out my face. That's kind of a little bit more. This is their topper. Just to give it a little more dewy look. We're still in the pinks, guys. We're still in the pinks. So don't come at me. Don't come at me. I mean it. And this is just, it's called ethereal. So, there we go. We're still all in the pink. All in the pink. All about that pink. Okay, pink. Wrong song. Okay, so this is your finished final look. Let me just spray you. And this is just some spreading, just a little bit of blingy setting spray. It's supposed to have 24 karat gold in it, and I don't know about all that. Dang, it's like being pummeled by a high power shower. I don't, ooh, we don't like that. Where's my booty blanket? Yeah, me and my cousin were talking one night. My husband got so mad because she couldn't remember what it's called, and she was saying booty blender. So of course we kept saying booty, 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 booty blender. And he was getting mad, and I was kidding. But it was funny. Okay. So yeah, this is the finishing final. I'll get over here. Some light. You know how the models do. Is that how they do? Y'all tell me, ain't that how they do over there? And me. Anyway, enough playing around. As I always say, love yourself. Learn to love yourself. I'm sorry, y'all. That just cracks me up when folks do that. Learn to love yourself. This is all funny. Learn to love yourself. Learn to accept yourself. And with that comes that confidence. And once you get that confidence, y'all, can't nothing stop you. Can't nobody stop you. Even you can't stop you, because that's your biggest stumbling block, is yourself. So, until I see you next time, know that I love y'all. Thank you for joining my home today. And I will see y'all later in the next video. Bye, y'all.